Okay, so we're just going to have a quick look at some of the tools that we use, or that I use, when I'm creating YouTube clips. Now most of the time when I'm creating YouTube clips, I'm actually working from the screen. So what I'm going to do is just going to work through the various bits and pieces that I use. First one is Jing from jing.com, great free screen capture software. I then use Audacity, which again is a free recording tool with multiple channels. I use PowerPoint, as in here, to create an open and close screen. iWsoft to translate flash movies into a YouTube format. Windows Movie Maker to stitch all these little bits together. And then for music source I use danosongs.com, and Danosongs allows you to have some bits and pieces of music that he's written and are prepared royalty free, although he does like to be accredited as being the author of the music. Okay, so let's press on. Okay, it's quite hard to demonstrate Jing using Jing, so I'm just going to chat you through the process. The first thing you do is you go to jing.com and install Jing. Once installed, it will appear as a sun, and mine is set to appear at the top of the screen. By clicking on the sun, you'll actually get these three little icons appear, and choosing the crosshairs there will allow you to actually describe an area of screen that you want to work on to record or copy. Then underneath you just click on the video button and away you go. It'll count down 3, 2, 1. You start talking and it's recording both your mouse actions, the screen, and of course your voice. Now bear in mind you only have 5 minutes inside of a Jing clip. Now there are times when 5 minutes seems way too short, but I assure you if you're watching, 5 minutes can seem like a lifetime. Okay, and the next step. To find Audacity, again all you would do is you go to Google and type in Audacity, and it will show you where to download it from. Here we've got Audacity, so as you can see I can click onto here to record, and it's now recording my voice on Audacity. So this can be used to create a simple soundtrack, and as you see it will continue across and allow me to continue recording. Now at any point I can stop that, and then I could actually go back to the beginning by just using the scroll bars to I don't know, perhaps I want to chop out a little bit or something of that nature. What I can also do though with Audacity, which is really wonderful, is I can add a second layer underneath. So here I am now recording a second layer underneath, so I could actually add I don't know, a laughter track or music beneath my voice as we're actually going through. Now that can be great if we're trying to do something such as, okay, this is Windows Movie Maker, and I believe Windows Movie Maker comes free with the Windows operating system. So again what I can do here is I can actually start to play. Now down the bottom of the screen here I've actually got my place where I can actually add my video, my audio and music and put them together. Now the first thing we said was, or the first thing I did was I've created a title slide, and this one is called for the computer group. So I can just drag my media down there, and there you can now see that's in place. I've then got a 5-second introduction of music, and again all I did was I can drag that below there and position it where I want. And the idea is that that 5-second introduction of music will be the length of time that that image is displayed, and we can test that. And as you can see, that gives me a nice sort of introduction with a bit of background information. Here then I can then start to import information. So I can click on the videos, and then I can go onto my machine, and I've stored my ones we've just been working on the desktop. So there's the video clip. It's a very short video clip that we created, and I can just drag that down here and put it into place, and then again we can just watch that video. Let's take it all the way back to the beginning. So again, as you can see, we're in a position where we can now start to build these things up, and indeed I've then got a close screen that I can put into place, and then underneath the close screen I play the same music because I am fairly lazy. So again we can just bring it back to the beginning, So that video is now ready. Well, I mean, to be honest, we'd have polished it up a little bit better than that before we started, but then I can click on to publish the movie, and publish the movie would then allow me to publish it to this computer. I can give it a name, so I'm going to call this test movie, and then down in the bottom here, just below the screen, let me just see if I can bring that up a little bit, it says publish. So I can click on to publish, and now it's actually going to publish that piece of music, or publish that video clip. Now it's publishing it back onto my machine, into this destination, see users, illuminate videos, and then I can click on to play the movie when I finish. So I can click on to finish, and it's now pulled up the media guide. And the final step in the process would then be just to, having stitched it all together, is to go onto YouTube, onto your channel. And again, if you create yourself a Google Plus account, then you can actually have a YouTube channel with that very easily. Click on upload, and then you find the video that you actually want to upload, select the file, and away it will go. Life is easy. I hope that helps. Talk to you later. Bye.